Today, I'm going to show you how to grow your business without spending $1 on Facebook, social media, traditional ads. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, you need to be able to start building an email list, SMS list. This will help you grow your business organically to levels you never imagined. And we're going to do this talking about segmenting marketing, huge, and automation. So recently, we've always used Facebook marketing. We've done Facebook, we've done social media, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager. We've always used social online marketing to always scale our business. With doing that, we've been able to really grow our email and SMS text messaging list, and it's grown to 6 figures. I've been able to do this for 2 different businesses. I've grown our email list, pretty large. Now, since we have this email list, we have this customer base, this is going to help you drastically save money and grow your business or your services or your products. So what we do is, anybody who have purchased a product from us, who have engaged with a product, and they have done anything from, on our website, we always try to gather their data. We gather whatever their email is, their first name, last name, we get their birthday, their location. Critical. With all this stuff, you need to get detailed information about who your audience and who your potential client can be. So once we all have that, we put it into a software. We use Omnisend. Now there's a lot. There's MailChimp. There's all these different ones that you can use. Salesforce has their one as well. There's hundreds of automation email lists. Reason why we use Omnisend is because they also integrate SMS. So everything is in one location. So that helps us out tremendously. We also, when somebody's on our site, we can actually, especially once they've been registered, on our platform, we can actually see them migrating through, our different pages, our products and services, our terms and conditions. So that helps us understand, what is going on. That helps us look at how foundationally we can scale our business, but we can also understand where the fall off is. There's a company that offers a product called, where they'll do heat mapping on your actual site. There's multiple companies that do that. They'll do heat mapping. So they'll go into your site and know how visitors are coming to your site and what are they doing. So we've been able to implement all these different strategies. So this is a strategy that I'm going to tell you how to grow your business, whether it's online or physical. You have to segment your customer base. You have to know your likes and dislikes of your customer. Segment means to be able to sort your customers out based off of different criteria. In our system, we'll know this person is called a champion. Why are they called a champion? They visit us frequently. They're either shopping, they bought enough products and services that they've been labeled as a champion. These products that they like, it automatically filters into our system. So they're labeled as, a champion. So these social media, these automation platforms is going to segment those, automatically. It's going to show you who are your frequent shoppers. So you need to know whether you have a physical location or online store, who frequently shops. You're going to have those window shoppers who shop and never buy. You need to start sorting those people out. Sort out your email customers and then your SMS customers, because now you can market to them individually. The email customers, you can market to them, various email automations. Your SMS, you can send them text message out. Now, I love when I get someone who signs up and says, you can send me email and SMS. You about to get some good stuff when you say that. You need to know who your audience is. Is it a male? Is it a female? If you don't know who your audience is, you could be sending male-driven products to females or products to people who don't even have kids. There's so much power in segmenting your audience. You will also be able to just grow your customer base. There's a thing where in segmenting your audience, you can do cross-sell, meaning they bought one product from you, you can cross-sell another product. So if you have a service, if you're just a physical location, somebody buys one product from you, one service, you also have this other service, but you need to know that you're sending this other service to the right people, because there's a system that you want to be able to follow. You don't want to send this other service and they haven't got the first service. Segmenting is critical during that. whether you have a nonprofit, segment who you know, those donors, those ones who want to volunteer, those ones who are buying a particular service on you. You need to really dig down and see who they are, what they like, and how can you continually grow that database of people. Incentivize people to come to your site, your physical store, and go online and register their information. And don't just get just their email. Get more specific information from them. If you can, understand, if you just get an email and you don't get no name, you're going to send out a blank email, and it's not going to be able to be segmented because there's no name, there's no information about, what they like, their birthday, their location. So you have to make sure you're getting very specific when you're collecting this data. Say you're going to a place and you're just collecting business cards. People have business cards. They send you their phone numbers and different things like that. That is valuable information that needs to be sorted. Data is critical to grow and scale your business. Data is huge. So what we've done is the last probably 30 days, we said, let's back off on doing our consistent, Facebook, social media marketing, different things like that. We're going to scale our business using exclusively our email and SMS list. And again, ours work because we have such a huge email list. So we're talking about 6-figure email list. So what we started doing, we started sending out this blast. What we've done is, because our list is so big, we were able to segment to people who bought this product, and then we can cross-sell to another product. We have these new releases. Somebody who likes a particular color, they may love black. We will look at their profile and they'll show they purchased maybe 10 times, and 9 of those 10 times were black products that were just all black and different things. So we have a new product that's just all black as well. Send it to that customer. There's a huge likelihood for them to buy. A customer may just love pink. Then you have customers who are always using a discount. We'll send an automation out to them. Show me all customers who use a 15% off, discount. We've been able to really dig down and just really pull out customers that we didn't even know that exist. So being able to segment your customer base is critical, from that. Don't just send a bulk email out, because we send bulk emails out, but a bulk email is just a general email. You may have all your products and services, but some of your customers, they'll just look at your bulk, and if it's not personalized, personalization is critical. If it's not personalized, you're going to lose them in a flood. And people don't want to just feel like a number. They want to feel like you're actually, engaging with them. So being able to send out an SMS and say, hey, Keshon, I'm looking at it now, versus, hey, 24% off. Now I know you're just selling me a product. You're just selling me a discount. So if I'm looking for a discount, I can get that. But if you understand what we talked about before, we talked about scaling, and we talked about trying to grow your business with offers and not just trying to sell a discount. Because once you get stuck in selling discounts, it's hard to, introduce your customers to new products, because they're going to introduce this new product and they're going to want a discount on that new product. And you're like, now I'm keeping my product in. So you have to, look at adjusting that. But we've been able to do this for the last 30 days. And here's what's crazy. Our ROI has increased 600%. The only cost we've paid right now was just our monthly service on our email subscription software. That's the only thing we've paid. Everything else has been organic. So we're seeing the growth so fast, and our ROI is so huge that it makes me say, I'm a hold back on Facebook marketing, Google. I'm gonna pull back a little bit, because we have such a huge email list. You probably have such a big audience, but you haven't really organized those contacts into a system that allows you to be able to drive and get the right traffic. As we keep going into this about how you can scale it, look at how you can segment your audience now. Put them into a system that you know who they are, potential customers, real customers, people who frequently shop, people who you have met at certain locations. Sort your audience out, and then start sending emails and automations based off that. Follow me for more as we continue to scale and grow your business. You got this.